Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about simple English, one word sentences, two word sentences and more imperative sentences. One word sentences. The set A words are just words. The set B words are one word sentences. The one word sentence only contains a word. Let's see some words. Set A and set B. The set A contains come, go, eat, drink, sit. And the set B have come, go, eat, drink, sit, stand. If you observe here, set A is a word. The same word when comes to set B becomes a sentence. Sleep, play, dance, sing, write, read. When comes to set B, it is sleep, play, dance, sing, write, read. I think now you got an idea on one word sentences. Now let's go to two word sentence. Please is used in spoken English to express politeness. Now let's see some two word sentences. Two word sentences. Set A and set B. In set A it is please come, please go, please eat, please drink, please sit, please stand, please sleep. The set B is come please, go please, eat please, drink please, sit please, stand please, sleep please. Please observe the two word sentences in set A and set B. Now let's go to three word sentences. It is please come here, please go at once, please eat your food, please drink a cup of tea. And the set B is come here please, go at once please, eat your food please, drink a cup of tea please. Some more sentences are please sit down, please stand up, please sleep on your bed. Sit down please, stand up please, sleep on your bed please. Now let's see some more examples with these word sentences. John, come here. Indu, eat your food. Children, read well. Students, be quiet. Balu, sing a song. Roja, dance now. Now, you make some more examples like this. These are known as imperative sentences. Let's see some more examples of imperative sentences. Some more imperative sentences are Sir, please explain the lesson. Do or die. Get into the hell after your death. Go to your grandfather. Make money with nothing. Krishna, recite this poem for me. Venu, help me tomorrow. Lalita, solve this problem. Friends, listen to me. Rank well in the examinations. So these are some more examples of imperative sentences. Now, the imperative sentences are classified into commands, requests, orders, pleadings, and suggestions. Now, let's see some more examples on commands, requests, orders, pleadings, and suggestions. So, here are the examples. Commands: get out, shut up, quit my room, sit down, go straight. And the next is orders: go and get me water, shoot the enemy, bring my bicycle at once, stand in a line, keep quiet. And the next comes requests: please sing a song, kindly allow her in, please get seated, please listen to me, kindly shut the door. And the next one is pleadings. They are nothing but appeals. Advise me, Mr. Lawyer. Help me get acquitted. Allow me to plead, please. Render service to the poor. And the last one is help the needy. Now, let's see the last one. That is suggestions. Read well, work hard, marry only once, be regular, do not postpone your work. Thank you for watching, friends. Watch this video from the beginning till end so that you can prepare some more examples on your own. All the very best, friends.